Don't get any problems with them. That's better. Perfect. That's it, and that's how I do it. Hello there, welcome back to the channel. Right, I've had this question a few times when people are doing eras. When they try and fit in the standard cylinder, that's a 6-pin, and you put this in like that, and then when you go to do this up, it just doesn't work. It just catches on there. So what I'll do is I'll put this in, I'll do the screws up on it. I'll just put 2 screws in to show you. No, my luck, will probably work. Oh. 1. 2. Let's put the right bit in. That might help. There we go. 1, 2. Oh, it's moved. Loosen it off. There we go. There, the cowl line's up there. And it's stiff. So, oof, that's really, yeah, really stiff. So what you'll find is this is actually hitting onto that quite heavy. So what I would do to make it a bit smoother, that's not even doing screws up tight, I'd be inclined to be very careful when you're using a drill like this and just make that a little bit deeper. If you sort of do there, probably not do it in your hand because you'll probably slip. I shouldn't really be doing like this, especially when I've got a vice. So look, it goes in a little bit. Tell you what I'm going to do in the vice. I can't risk damaging this hand again. It's already taken a pounding. Right, so turn the line on there. Right. That's twisting. There we go. Going a bit. Should be right. Right. Let's give that a try. Let's see how that comes out. Oh, I picked open that lock. I just picked open that lock. And I picked up in that lock. There's only 2, the other one's inside. Right, that one there. Now let's try it. One each corner. There we go. Beautiful. So it gives it a little bit slack on there. Just not going to spin right the way out. It shouldn't do anyway. So that should be perfect now. Oh, actually, it's still a bit loose. Yep. Once we get all 4 screws on, should be a tighter fit. I definitely don't like doing stuff like this. Another good send to put in these is the ASEC 6-pin. They go in there perfectly. Don't get any problems with them. That's better. Perfect. That's it, and that's how I do it. See the armoured bit's still on there. The armoured bit is still leaving it on there. So yeah, that's how I do it. Anyway, if you like it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Cheers.